In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to add video to playlist on YouTube. How to add video to playlist on YouTube. So this is my YouTube. So probably you are also in your YouTube page. So, and you have a video you want to add to playlist. So what you need to do is to go to your YouTube content page. It's already on the content page. So when you get to your content page, you're going to see recent videos you have uploaded. These are my recent videos I have uploaded. And these are one of the videos or some of the videos you want to add to a playlist. So what you simply need to do is to navigate the different bar and go to the playlist section. So once you get to the playlist section, what you're going to do is to click on the playlist. So after clicking on the playlist, you're going to be seeing different playlists that probably you have created, or you may not have created any playlist, but these are some of the playlists I have created on my YouTube channel. So the recent videos I just make, or some of the videos already in my channel, I want to add them to either any of these playlists. But there's a video I want to add to this particular playlist. So to add a video to the playlist, first of all, remember, you come to this tab, you click on the playlist to view the playlist that you've already created in your channel. So the next thing you're going to do is to come to this three-dot button. So once you get to this three-dot button, you're going to left click on the three button. Then you're going to see several options here. So on this option, you're going to go to edit on YouTube. So this option is telling you to edit this particular playlist on YouTube. So I'm going to click edit on YouTube. So I'll click. And now it's going to bring me to this page. So this is actually the playlist. So YouTube has now opened the playlist on YouTube. These are some of my videos that are inside already. So if you come to this search bar, YouTube is going to bring random other person's videos for you probably to create a playlist that include other person's videos. So this particular search bar here goes into the YouTube world, whereby you are probably going to get to see other person's videos you want to add to the playlist. So this particular option here gives you chances or access to other person's videos. So these are some of them that is already suggested. So if you come right here, if I scroll down right here, if I scroll down right here, you'll see YouTube is already recommending me some other videos that I may have added, I may have want to add to the playlist. So these are some of the videos I have watched, and is recommending that the playlist I want to create, if I want to add other person's videos to it. So once you want to add to this playlist any of these videos, all you simply do is just to click the plus sign, and it goes straight to this playlist that is yours. So to add your own personal video to your YouTube playlist, what you need to do is to come to this plus sign, right? Can you see it? You come to this plus sign. So this plus sign indicates that this is your playlist right here. This image, this is your playlist. As you can see, it's written playlist. This is your own personal playlist that you have created. So when you want to add video to your own personal playlist, what you need to do is to come to this plus sign. So you click the plus sign. So this particular plus sign takes you into your own personal channel where you can have access to your own videos, not other random other persons, not other random videos of other persons. So this particular one takes you into your own channel. So you can see this is one of my recent video I just uploaded, and I want to add it to playlist. So these are some others of my personal videos in my own channel. So you too, when you click that button, you're going to see videos like this in your own personal channel. So if the video you want to add to the playlist is not here, all you simply do is to come here and use the search bar to search for the video you want to add. So let's say Afropop. I'm showing you a practical example since this is my beats channel, and I'll click enter. So some of my beats that is already titled Afropop, you can see some of them. Although this actually goes to other people's channel, I think. So, so here you're going to be seeing your videos. So this is a video I want to add to my own playlist. All you simply do is to click, and when you click, it's going to put a blue tick like this. So if I want to add as much as any video you want to add, just click on them. It will mark them for the playlist. But I'm only just going to add this particular one to this playlist. So since I have clicked and check mark it, I'm going to click add. So you come to this button right here, add. So if you have multiple videos you want to add, all you simply do is to scroll down, check for the videos, then just click them like this. So if it's 5 videos, it's already showing you how many videos you've already ticked. And the moment you click add videos, it's going to add to that playlist. But I don't want to add so many videos. I'm going to untick them. So I'm only going to add this particular video. So click, and I'm going to click add. So immediately you see the video has been added to my playlist and it's automatically showing here. So I'm also going to refresh. So you see, I'm going to refresh. So you see the moment I refresh, and you can see the videos is already located or sent to my playlist. So this is basically on how to add video to your playlist, and you can do well to repeat the same process. So just for a little uh, recap is you go to your YouTube page like this, go to your video section, and on your video section, what you need to do is to hover a little bit to your playlist. And when you get to your playlist, you click the playlist. And after clicking the playlist, you're going to be seeing your playlist folders you have created. So for you to be able to navigate to the video section where you can add is to click this three dot button. And when you click the three dot button on the playlist that you want to add, then you go to edit on YouTube. So you click the edit on YouTube and it's going to take you right down to YouTube right here where you're going to add videos. So when you get here, go to your plus sign on your YouTube right here. This is your playlist. This is actually how your playlist look like. Then go to add videos. So you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to load the videos on your channel. So these are my recent videos, right? So any video that you want to add to the playlist right here, then if you want to add this, you just click this and checkmate the videos. After checkmating the videos, all you simply do is click add videos. So you tick and you click add videos. So once you click add the video is automatically going to be added to your playlist. So this is basically on how to add a video to playlist on your YouTube channel. So do it to subscribe, like this video for more videos to come.